Welcome back to the Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton podcast, where homeowners across Hamilton and nearby communities get practical, down-to-earth advice on decks, outdoor living, and long-term home value. If you've been searching for Deck Builders Hamilton or Deck Builders Near Me, this episode is for you. Visit tuffdeckbuildershamilton.com or follow at Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton on Instagram for real project photos, tips, and to request your free estimate. Today's topic is essential deck maintenance tips for every season. Keeping a deck safe, beautiful, and long-lasting is less about one big project and more about simple, consistent care throughout the year. With Hamilton's changing seasons, from hot summers to icy winters, your deck needs a little attention in spring, summer, fall, and winter to perform its best. Let's start with spring. As temperatures rise and the snow and ice are gone, it is time for a thorough inspection and deep clean. Clear leaves and debris from between boards, check railings, stairs, and fasteners, and look for any loose, cracked, or rotted boards that formed over winter. A gentle wash with a deck-safe cleaner helps remove mildew, grime, and winter residue, setting your deck up for heavy use in the warmer months. Summer is all about protection and routine upkeep. With more grilling, furniture movement, and foot traffic, it is important to sweep regularly, wipe up spills quickly, and use mats under grills or heavy furniture to prevent stains and surface damage. For wood decks, summer is also a great time to refresh stain or sealant if the surface is starting to look dry or faded, strengthening resistance against UV rays and moisture. In the fall, the focus shifts to preparing your deck for cold, wet weather. Remove fallen leaves and organic debris so they do not trap moisture and cause staining or rot, then inspect for any issues that developed over summer. Many Ohio pros recommend fall as an ideal time to stain or seal wood decks because cooler temperatures and lower humidity help finishes cure properly and protect against winter snow and ice. Winter care is about minimizing damage. If snow builds up, use a plastic shovel and move with the board direction to avoid gouging the surface. Avoid harsh de-icing salts that can harm wood, metal fasteners, or composite finishes, and if possible, store or cover furniture and planters so moisture does not get trapped against the deck. Regular quick checks through the season help catch problems early instead of facing big repairs in spring. Whether you have a composite, PVC, or traditional wood deck, these simple seasonal habits can dramatically extend its life, keep it safer for your family, and preserve its appearance year after year. As leading deck builders Hamilton homeowners trust, Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton can inspect your existing deck, recommend the right maintenance schedule, or help upgrade to low-maintenance materials if you are ready for an easier outdoor lifestyle. If you are in Hamilton, Fairfield, Middletown, Westchester Township, or nearby communities, and you are searching for deck builders near me, the team at Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton is ready to help. Visit tuffdeckbuildershamilton.com, follow at Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton on Instagram, or call 513-895-9287 to schedule your consultation, discuss maintenance, or start designing a new outdoor space that fits your home and your routine. Your deck should work for you in every season. Let this deck building company Hamilton be your trusted partner in making that happen.